an item. So I guess this is a first official unboxing video, huh? What the hell? Okay. Electroluminescent LED kit with EL wiring. I assume it'd be for the interior. I don't know if this is gonna pick up very well. Huh. Well, I mean, I've thought of such things. I guess I'll be using both. I think I still have mine. Oh, okay. I do indeed. So, I have these as well. But the difference is, this one is only one color, as I think it is, while yours is programmable. So it can utilize pretty much every color that RGB can handle. That is incredible. Thank you for dropping that off, buddy. Okay, so it's a piping. Very interesting. It's not, wow. Yeah, this one is literally just, I guess, an LED rod. And the one you sent me is a channeled piping. So this is able to actually be pushed into seams and lock in. So definitely a much better quality kit. Wow, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. I'll see if I'm able to make this kind of an actual video. I might even just put this on my YouTube real quick as an unboxing thing. Alrighty, well, thank you, buddy. Thank you, Ron. Kind of up to my eyeballs still on the project, but once I get the door panel fixed, I think I'll install it right away. Get it underneath the paneling and stuff like that. I haven't really messed with one of these before, so this is going to be quite interesting. Has 5 connections per deal. And I guess you just trim to fit, and then you got these plastic screws to help lock it into where the actual LED is, with this machined aluminum housing. Fascinating. Aha, there we go. And inside the housing, they got a little, oh wow, okay. There you are. The little lens and the little LED. And then it just caps and holds inside this LED or aluminum structure. Apologize if the video in question is kind of haphazardly. I'm still kind of out of it, but wanted to send this to you ASAP. Alrighty, once I start installing it, I'll record some video and send it to you as well. Take care, and thank you very much, brother.